जहां बवंडर आता है वहां कमांडर आता है. That sums up Commander Karan Saxena for me, which is streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar, and joining us on NDTV is the star of this show, Gurmeet Chaudhary. Very warm welcome.
Thank you so
Director
much.
Jatin Wagle, very warm welcome.
Thank you.
But this entire series is based on an R&AW officer, and we have someone who's been into the thick of the business. Of course, real life R&AW officer Amar Bhushan sir as well. A very warm welcome to NDTV.
Thank you.
So I think our aim should be to know about the real and the real side of it here. I'll start with sir. Sir, of course, there are so many perceptions, misconceptions about this profession that you've been into. What are some things that several people don't know or don't talk much about?
I would like to ask you a counter question.
Sure. I think it must be an interrogation style interview here. Go ahead.
What is your perception of RNAW?
They are shooting people left, right and center. They are wearing fancy clothes. That's what my perception is.
Okay. Okay. RNAW officers are not issued a gun.
Wow.
RNAW officers are not police officers.
Right.
They are not army officers. They have no right to defend themselves against physical assault.
Gurmeet, of course, but you have glamorized it. It has to be. It's a very massy show. There are, of course, those heavy dialogues. And I'm sure, as someone, as I think, guess, you are very much into workout, actions. It must be a dream come true.
Oh yeah. I think it was my dream कि कुछ ऐसा एक्शन बेस्ड सीरीज करने का मौका मिले.
Okay.
और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि रॉ एजेंट का करने का मौका मुझे लगता है बहुत कम लोगों को मिलता है. आई फील बहुत लकी कि आज मैं सर के साथ यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ.
We saw you jumping off the roof as well. A recent BTS video that you put.
You know, मुझे किसी ने पूछा कि इसकी आपने तैयारी क्या की है, तो मैंने कहा कि यार मैं बहुत एक्चुअली देशभक्त हूँ. मुझे अपने भारत माँ के लिए बहुत प्यार है.
It's all real locations, Jatin?
It's all real locations. We shot all over Mumbai, and it's all real locations, as real as you can get.
And you guys shot in this year only?
Yes, we just shot a couple of months back.
Wow.
So we wanted to beat the monsoons to start with, and Mumbai is
But how
a
did you
very
pull off
different
like
texture.
20 episodes in a few months?
Honestly, when we had written the script also, we were quite sure as to how much we were going to shoot and what we are going to show. And the biggest advantage is we had got, I would say, A+ technicians and cast and crew to pull it off.
Any anecdote from your life, of your career, where you thought, oh, okay, this is what R&AW career is all about?
If I recall correctly, there are some officers, of course, who have betrayed, like as I mentioned to you, in the Escape to Nowhere. But
Sorry to barge in. Sir has authored several books. Of course, Escape to Nowhere is one of those where you, of course, talk about an espionage.
espionage. You know, in the Escape to Nowhere, you had an officer who became the double agent. He also worked for us and he also worked for the CIA. So we got hold of him gradually because, you know, it's very difficult. We can't impose surveillance on him. We are not authorized to do any surveillance in India.
Yeah.
There are a lot of constraints in India. Similarly, outside.
In Escape to Nowhere, I'm terrible with names. We are talking about double agent
Ravinder Singh.
Ravinder Singh, that's you must read that book. And of course, sir has also explained how they caught or how you know there was suspicion. It's pretty interesting. So, Gurmeet, did you also go through books, any material for the preparation of this role?
Well, you know, when I met Jatin sir, so इनसे मिलने के बाद पता चला इनको काफ़ी नॉलेज था, क्योंकि एक एक्टर का काम होता है कि आपका जो डायरेक्टर बोलता है उसको आपको फॉलो करना होता है, और मेरे लिए मेरे डायरेक्टर सब कुछ होते हैं. जो इन्होंने मुझे गाइडलाइंस दी थी कि ऐसा ऐसा करना है, और ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारी फिल्में थी, बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो मैंने पढ़ी, जो बहुत सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स मैंने देखे, जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं सर की बुक के बारे में, वो मैंने पढ़ा था, वो डॉक्यूमेंट देखा था, तो एक आइडिया था. बट उससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छी बात है कि जो सर ने कहा कि आपको देशभक्त होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, तो मैं वो दिल से था. आई थिंक वो इसीलिए आपको ट्रेलर में आप जब सीरीज़ देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा कि
Did your army background help?
Well, yes,
Must have.
yes.
In what ways, if you can elaborate?
You know, मैं अपने डैड को बोलता हूँ कि आपसे ज़्यादा फौजी मैं हूँ क्योंकि मैं आर्मी हॉस्पिटल में पैदा हुआ और बचपन से ही मैंने फौज को देखा है. आप 16-17 साल के थे जब फौज में आए. मैं तो बचपन से फौज को देख रहा हूँ.
Raw agent, this word sounds very fancy, but of course there's a lot of technicality linked to it, and of course we have a real life RNAW officer. Sir, I have 3 terms. If you can break it down for us and what they mean. One is handler.
Handler, okay, who motivates the source, guides him at every stage and debriefs him. Because without him, you know, the sources in the hands of a bad handler has turned out to be useless. In the hand of a good handler has produced miracle.
It's kind of a director directing the actor.
Absolutely.
That's kind of a relationship.
I'll tell you an example.
Sure.
You know, there was a person whom nobody could speak to. No question, nobody could speak to. He was a dreaded criminal. Nobody would dare go there. And if you knew that you were an intelligence officer, then you had it. 15 gunmen used to be at his house. Nobody was there. I took a chance. I went and met him. I just took a chance. I didn't tell anybody, not the local police, not my family, not my officers there. I didn't tell anybody. I just went and met. The guard told me that, who are you? I said, please tell him that I am so and so, you should meet me. He came out, bodyguards, 6-7 bodyguards, with all kinds of gadgets, you know, to shoot you down, one hapless person. So I told him, I said, I'm not carrying anything. So please tell them not to wield it. I get scared of you. So if I get scared of you, I'll not be able to talk to you. And he turned out to be a remarkable source. And the kind of thing which he did for us, that means the government of India, you know, should go down into the history. But unfortunately what happens is that we are not written in the pages of books. We don't figure anywhere. Have you ever seen any RNAW operations figuring in any books? No?
No.
You will not find anything.
And that's how it's supposed to be.
So that's the value of a handler.
Right. Second term for you to decode is espionage.
Espionage. Espionage is taking information from your country which could benefit my own country.
And the last term for you to decode for us is bug. We say we bugged their room. What does it mean?
Bugging means that whatever we are talking here is listened to in another room or another place. That room could be 5 meters away from you, that could be even 2 miles away from you, depending on what gadgets you are using and who the person you are bugging. There was a very interesting episode that an officer came to me and told me. I was telling him that, look, you know, I'm not able to know how to get hold of this fellow because he's 24 hours under surveillance and security is so tight, how do I know? He said, sir, I have something, I can show it to you. I said, no, showing will not impress me. Prove it. Prove it. He said, sir, okay. And then he brought out something from his pocket and he said, sir, can I play it now? I said, you play it. And whatever we conversed, he was relaying it to me. Because where it is hidden, because those days are gone when bugs used to be very cheap, crude, visible. It's not there anymore longer.
So whatever we are talking, sir has a copy of that already on him. Now we'll wrap this conversation with a fun segment that we have with Gurmeet. Of course, you're from Bihar, so we want to go back learning something new. I'm a Punjabi. I want you to teach me, let's say, 3 Bihari slangs. And of course, all the non-Biharis there, they also want to learn something new. If you can teach us something. And I'll try to decode it first. Yeah, go ahead. You.
सर खुद पटना से हैं.
हाँ,
Oh, lovely.
तो भोजपुरी बोलते हो?
मैं मैथिली बोलता हूँ सर.
अच्छा, तब तो कोई बात ही नहीं.
I loved how his accent changed.
एक्चुअली भाषा का यही है, हिंदी जब बिहारी बोलते हैं तो उसका मजा ही अलग है.
True. एक उसमें कलर है. So क्या आप बताइए what all can we
मैं
learn?
दो अक्सर मैं यूज करता हूँ क्योंकि बिहार में पैदा हुआ हूँ. जैसे कि एक वर्ड मैं बोलता हूँ आपको और आप रिपीट करते हैं तो मजा आएगा तब कि आप कैसे बोलते हैं.
ठीक है.
थाओ महाराज.
थाओ महाराज. Is it correct?
हाँ, बहुत करीब हो आप. थोड़ा
बताइए.
हाँ. थाओ महाराज.
थाओ महाराज. What does it mean?
इसका मतलब है कि या तो काम थोड़ा नहीं बना,
Yellow type.
येलो टाइप.
Yellow.
थाओ महाराज.
Oh, nice. थाओ महाराज. Nice.
और अगर आपको थोड़ी चोट वोट लग गई, जैसे हम चेन्नई में अयो बोलते हैं
हाँ.
या ऐसा, तो उसमें हम बिहारी मतलब मैं तो अक्सर बहुत यूज करता हूँ अगे माए चोट लगी गले.
Age mai. That sounds very sweet. Lovely. Thank you so very much, and all the very best for Commander Karan Saxena. Congratulations on the release, and of course, congratulations on the fact that it's also free on mobile phones. That a lot of audience is also going to love. And Amar sir, thank you for all your insightful discussion. It was really pleasure having you all.
Thank you
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
This is Arun Singh signing off for NDTV.